Now coming to our last exercise, we have the same revenue available with us. We go to conditional formatting, click on the icon set, click on the first one, which is the easiest one, and it's applied, but we want to have it applied as per our liking or as per our own criteria or KPIs. So go to conditional formatting and manage rules and edit it. So here you can see that you have the list of icons available and the settings. The first thing what we can do is we can click on the show icon only because we have the value available in another column. And then we can go to the first one, which is a green one. It's saying that it's based on a percentage. We do not want it to be a percentage based on the list of values. It should be a number. And we can say that if your sales is greater than, let's say, 30,000, so we are happy with it. So it should be a green color. And if it is less than, let's say, 2,000, so it's a gone case for us. And press OK. And anything in between is, let's say, performing OK. And press OK, apply. So only one item is performing well. Two items are less than 2,000 revenue are actually the red flags. And you can see that based on quantity, it's a different thing. But based on revenue, it's a different thing. So you should have the analysis from different perspectives, different angles, which will give you a complete picture of whether to not invest in a particular product or withdraw from a particular product. Okay, we do not want all of those who are performing just okay and should be part of the overall portfolio, but we just want to focus on those items which are of concern or which are of value. So we can go to conditional formatting and manage rule and click edit on the first rule, and we can say that we do not want to show any icon for this one. So it's gone. And press OK. So only those items which should be our focus are available here. And the last thing we want to do is we want to have maybe your boss, you're going through a presentation and at the same moment your boss says, let's try 24,000 instead of 30,000 as our threshold for best performing items. So you will have to go back to conditional formatting and apply all of these changes again. So instead of doing this, go to conditional formatting, manage rules, and instead of these hard-coded values, you can refer this to a particular cell. This one and this one, and press OK. So now you can change values. You can see that from 30,000 to 24,000, you have two good performing items. And if you take it to 15,000, let's say it's recession time and you just want to continue with your business, so you change it to 15,000. So these are fairly well performing items with respect to the revenue generated by them. So I hope you must have liked this whole exercise. In the upcoming videos, we are going to further deliberate as to what is the formula based conditional formatting. So this was just based on whatever the tools are available in the conditional formatting, but there is another area to it which is the formula based conditional formatting, and which is really helpful and very interactive. Wait for the next video. Till then, practice all of these exercises. See you in the next video. Bye bye.